Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hanif Khan and I'm here in this video talking about electric vehicles and some of the companies that I'm interested in, and that are sitting at a price range that is very exciting. And I would for sure recommend that if you have some money in your that you can afford to buy and keep those stocks in your portfolio, to for sure go for it. But of course, I'm not your financial advisor and this video is only for entertainment purposes. So yeah, please do your own research, and then if you think that it's a good opportunity to buy, by all means then go ahead and do that. So let's get right into it. The stock that I'm considering to buy is heavily at this price is NIO. It's sitting at 45.78 range. NIO is electric vehicle company, a Chinese electric vehicle company, and its market cap is 71 billion, while its 52 weeks high is 62, while its 52 weeks low is 2.1. That means that NIO had a huge run. If you look at it, it's 6 weeks, it's 6 months chart. Back in October, September, NIO was trading in the 18 to 20th range, you can see here, and then it had this bullish run. It went to 53, then there was massive correction for a few months. It was in this range, in the 40s range, and as the new day on 9th of January came, it had this bull run again. It went through this correction in the January, but was still sitting in the 60s range, you can see here. And now we all know that there is massive correction going on with the stock market, which probably won't stay long and won't last long. That's why I think NIO at this price is, I would say, it's a very good opportunity. So I will for sure increase my portfolio on NIO. I did buy some NIO and add it into my portfolio last week. I had it in the past as well. At one point after the NIO day, I sold it. But I'm huge on those electric vehicle companies, and especially on NIO, because it's one of the main company alongside XPENG and Li in China. And Chinese government has already came and clearly mentioned that by end of 2025 they want to have 20% of their cars being electric vehicle cars. And that's why NIO, being the leader and working together with Chinese government, makes it a very interesting stock to jump in and add to your portfolio. So let's get to the sales of NIO. NIO's sales for January were 7,225. That is huge. I think for a company with a market cap of 70, it's huge if you compare it to a globally renowned company like Tesla, which is somewhere in 650s billion market cap. Their Q4's sales were 17,353, while their 2020 sales were 43,728. That is huge. If you now compare what their sales for January, and if you extend those sales to the whole year, so in January their sales are 7,225. If you multiply it by 12, that is almost 100,000 cars, literally. And that tells you 90 to 100,000 cars. That tells you that their sales are increasing, and so will be their production. They already have mentioned that by end of 2021 they want to have 150,000 electric vehicles produced, and they want to double that to 300,000 by end of 2022. So it tells you that this company has a huge potential, just like Tesla. But of course, I'm not your financial advisor. You should always do your own research, and then you should consider a company. You should always look for the fundamentals, which I believe for NIO are great. At this price, NIO is very interesting. Now let's get into XPENG, which is working together with NIO, and it's a Chinese company. Its market cap is 24 billion. XPENG had a massive run as well last year. It went at some point up to $74 per share. That was quite interesting, because knowing that it is working in partnership with NIO, and its market cap is slightly lower than NIO. I wasn't personally expecting that to go that much, but of course, the lower the market cap, the closer to the penny stock the stock is, the higher the volatility, and that's could tell about why it stock price went up to 70s, while NIO's maximum range is, I think, in 66. Anyway, XPENG is also very interesting. They're not far behind from NIO. Their Q4 earnings were great for 2020. Their January's sales were amazing. Somewhere, I think they sold somewhere 6,000 cars for January. So that tells you that by end of 2021 they will have 70 to 75,000 cars sold, which indirectly reflects on its production capacity, that they will be increasing their production, and that's overall increasing their footprints at some point globally as well, coming to the European soil and then extending it to the US market as well. So XPENG at this price 34 is in my opinion, personal opinion, a great buy, and I will for sure consider this to add this next week to my portfolio, just like I did with NIO last week. My next and last stock, the electric vehicle stock, is Tesla. One of all the YouTuber as well as the retail investors' favorite. It also has been a great trading stock last year, highly volatile, but Tesla is also a company which is a leader in the electric vehicles market at the moment. Its market cap is 648 billion. Its 52-week high, it was 900, and that happened very recently. Of course, at the moment the market is in the correction phase, the whole economical correction happening in the world, vaccines rolling all over the world. So I think when all the corrections happen in the market, as well as everything starts to open up again, I do believe that Tesla will have its huge run, especially Tesla's stability that it needed. They got it from the inclusion in S&P 500. So I'm not afraid that this stock will go down. People were saying that Tesla is in huge bubble and this could easily come back to 90s and $100 per share. But of course, if this will happen now, the whole S&P will go down, and that's why I don't believe that Tesla from this point onward could go further down. It's already, I would say, from 900 to 675, it's already been 25% correction. I do believe that from this point onward, it will have a V-shaped run, bullish run, and that's why I am personally considering Tesla. I also added few stocks of Tesla last week alongside NIO. I'm considering XPENG for the next week, but if Tesla dips from this point onward, I will for sure add on Tesla as well. So that was my point of view on some of those electric vehicle stocks. I will request you to please consider subscribing to this channel and help support the channel. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.